Nintendo Switch charge port in 5, 4, 3, 2. That's not a good sign. Yeah, I got a feeling this is going to be more than just a charge port. Right, so that's port removed. And then on the other side, that's the smoked EMI filter removed. Problem is, now we've got a short there still. That shouldn't be beeping like that. Basically, it goes to this chip. So if it's beeping, that's not good. I mean, that chip's fried, so I have to pull that as well, because that's the USB, one of the USB controller for it. Chip's off, no longer beeping. Just need to see if I've actually got one of these in the drawer or not. So we've got a chip. Stuff under the board, doesn't look it works, but we'll give it a go. But we don't have any ports, so that's no good. Chip is on and replaced. There's no shorts anywhere. Clean all the flux up now. Sort that AMI filter out, and then should be good to go once the port turns up. Right, that's the port replaced. All testing good. So now we can put it all back together. There we go. Just about back together. Just got to put the back on, and we can test it all. There we go. Back together, working, charging, everything. Job done. Another successful repair.